To officially open our program and acknowledge our esteemed leaders, please welcome the Secretary of the Department of Education, Secretary Sunny Angara.
Good afternoon po. Magandang hapon, maayong hapon sa ating mga ginagalang at nagwagwapuhan at nagagandahang mga mayors nandito ngayon. Sayang, walang magsasalita sa inyo para ibalik niyo po sa amin yung sinabi ko. Ganun pa man, malaking bagay ho sa amin na nandito ho kayo. To our DepEd family, of course. And for those who came from all the way from Visayas and Mindanao, a special thanks to you. At ito po talaga, sinabi ni Pangulong Bongbong na we have to be creative dahil lumalaki at lumalaki yung classroom deficit natin. So, much appreciated po ang presence ninyo dito ngayon. Thank you very much sa inyo for making the effort to come here today. At I know we can work together to help solve this problem together and make it a better world for our learners so they will have a better learning environment. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
And it's now time for the highlight of our morning, the ceremonial MOA signing and pledging of commitment. May we invite the Secretary to proceed to the signing table? When your group is announced, we invite our mayors or the representatives of the city to the stage. Once the signing is complete, please head over to the commitment wall. Secretary Sunny will lead the signing to solidify the pledge. Kindly sign on the ceremonial MOA while our photographers take photos. Now let's all stand for the official photo. Thank you so much. You may now proceed to the commitment wall and sign your pledges.
Mr. President, distinguished guests, nung nakarang linggo, lumagda po tayo ng MOA kasama ng ating mga governors. Ngayong araw naman po kasama natin ang 125 mayors and 11 representatives ng mga cities all over the Philippines, Mr. President. Ito na po yung vision po ninyo na isama po natin ang mga local chief executives at local government units, being a former local chief executive yourself. Thank you for the vision. And here, andito na ho tayo with the help of our friends from Congress, Senator Win, Senator Bam, Chair Roman, and Kong Richard, na nilagay po sa General Appropriations Act na pwedeng may flexibility ho tayo sa pagtayo ng ating mga classrooms. Thank you din, Executive Secretary Ralph at member ng kabinete na nandito ngayon. So gusto nating bigyan diin ang inyong direktiba na magtayo ng mas maraming classrooms gamit ng mas mabilis at makabagong paraan. Kasama na rin po ang prefab classrooms. Thank you po, Mr. President, sa lating mga mahal na mayors, distinguished guests. Mr. President, may we invite you to the stage to receive the MOA signed by our beloved mayors.
May we call on the city mayors from regions 4A and 4B. Thank you. Please exit to your right. May we now call on the city mayors from regions 5